these projects, kind of advanced sports training, sports rehabilitation, we're looking into right now. You've got this amazing opportunity to transfer the skills of a professional sportsman into the metaverse, and for people to learn directly from that professional sportsman in the metaverse. So you can imagine how that would revolutionize the education process, specifically the sports education process.
What, not single players?
Exactly. Players would be able to monitor their own performance, their own biometrics, their own musculoskeletal tracking, and refine it within the metaverse. And then things get really exciting when you think about bringing live games into the metaverse using advanced human-machine interfaces.
Well, short answer is amazing. I feel like I'm a scientist in NASA, but to expand on that, you see this ET itself has tiny motors that are built inside that are creating this realistic vibration pattern, which is the tactile feedback that Pilar was saying. Well, so why are haptics so important? Well, the reason is that, for example, I'm holding these two parts in my hand, and I can feel the haptics getting stronger as they're getting closer. So this is the clear induction to say that they're on a collision course and any action to prevent that should be taken. So this might not look so important in this feature where I'm just trying to play a game, but think of this as your manufacturing planet, or like if you're doing a training simulation, anything that direction could be life-threatening. So this feature of like feeling your surroundings with this haptic, it's really a helpful and a great feature that could save lives and avoid any potential accidents that way. So where we go from here is the really thing that you will want to hear the most. And just like our previous panelists from before, we also believe that you should have access to the best possible technology, and we mean everyone. So whether you're a curious individual or a developer or a company, we invite you to come try our open source system and actually see what it can do in your own field. And the main difference with us and other bigger companies is that we want you to get started in VR. We want you to use this, create your own researches, come up with better performances, improve efficiency, and just improving the quality of life in general.
The ESG, the impact, I wouldn't say it's taken us by surprise actually, but when people come knocking on your door, customers wanting something, it's like, well, yeah, you're going to say yes, obviously, aren't you? So I think that's definitely a growth area. But once again, doing it what I believe properly is like, the price moves for a reason. Just figure out why the price moves and understand why it moves, basically, because it's not just random. I don't know what people have been taught in economic schools. The price is not, there's structure, there's order flow, there's stuff happening. You just need to be able to capture it, and AI has this capability. So here we are. So
really, what you're saying, the market's not random. There's normally a good reason for.
There is some structure. Some structure sometimes, and just capturing, obviously. So, technical term is Brownian, non-Brownian motion. Let's not go there, but there is structure, there's order flow, because it's participants, it's people, it's bots. They do stuff.
It's not Brownian motion. It's how microwaves work.
Oh gosh, yes. Okay. Gosh. It's not a tech talk. I wish it was a tech. It's not one of those. Yeah. So absolutely, order flow. Yeah.
Thank you. It's a fascinating area. What I was wondering about is whether or not your customers are individuals who might want to sort of test and understand what's happening in their own gut biome, or whether you're moving into or have any sort of plans to move into public health and public medicine.
Yeah, actually we are now selling to the end users. Here we are partnering with different types of partners in the wellness industry. For the analysis. We are partnering with laboratories. We are licensing our software so they can integrate our technology to their laboratory process to provide this gut health report to their customers. It can be patients or hospitals, or we are partnering with wellness centers so they can use our technology to treat their patients in an alternative way. We are partnering with dietary supplement companies or platforms or retail pharmacies so they can integrate our bots there so they can provide personalized supplements services to their clients. So we are all partnering with the industry. That's what we do.
And which territories are you at?
Actually, we developed this technology in Turkey. We came to UK, just a few months ago. Now we are UK registered. Now we started in UK. We have partnership in the US. Now we are covering in the United Arab Emirates and Saudi. And in our next year's plan is to target to the Asia.
I'd like to thank all of you, Ömer, Pilar, Wayne, Sam, and obviously Jeremy. And I hope you all found that quite stimulating and giving you some food for thought. Thank you all.